shooting my video with my new phone. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. एक मिनट यहाँ से मेरा कोको दिख रहा है. Say hi to Coco guys. This is Coco. Okay, so if you have seen my last video, I just mentioned that the next video is gonna be my most favorite video on my channel. So yeah, I'm shooting this video with my new iPhone 15. And I don't know about you people, मेरे लिए it's a very big deal. It is a very big deal to get myself a new iPhone, and the hard work has literally paid off, ladies and gentlemen. I'm still soaking up the fact that yes, I have got this for myself. तो इससे पहले मैं अपनी सारी खुशी ऑब्जर्व कर पाती. नज़र लग गई गाइज, नज़र लग गई. सारा सिस्टम सॉर्ट करके जस्ट अभी बैठी हूँ टू शूट दिस वीडियो. छोटी सी प्रॉब्लम हो गई दैट ई सिम कर लिया था मैंने अपने न्यू फ़ोन में और ई सिम डिलीट हो गया ड्यू टू सम रीजंस. आई हैड टू गो टू दैट सेंटर टू रीएक्टिवेट माई फिजिकल सिम. तो मतलब 2 दिन से आई एम नॉट एबल टू रिसीव एनी कॉल्स और समथिंग. माई पेटीएम वॉज ऑल्सो नॉट वर्किंग. दिक्कत हो रहा था बहुत ज़्यादा. जो बिफोर आई कुड सोक अप ऑल द फैक्ट डांस माई हार्ट आउट और ये चीज़ हो गई. आई वॉज वेरी अपसेट अबाउट दिस फैक्ट बट आई थिंक आई हैव गॉट इट ऑल सॉर्टेड नाउ. आई थिंक छोटी छोटी प्रॉब्लम्स तो आती रहेंगी लाइफ में. आई थिंक इट्स हाउ वी टैकल इट ऑल. बट हाँ, नज़र जिसने लगाई है, अच्छी बात नहीं होती है नज़र लगाना. So yeah, now we'll move towards the video's topic, which is how I got myself an iPhone at the age of 20. So start करते एकदम starting से. So starting में first year में I was really a sort of a girl who was just having fun of her life. क्योंकि 12th के बाद जो भी होता है कि यार कॉलेज जाएंगे, मज़ा आएगा, ये होएगा वो होएगा, दोस्त बनेंगे, ये होएगा. So I was very girlies girl sort of in first year. I was just hanging out here and there. There was no seriousness in my life. But second year होते होते some things happened and then I was like, I don't have friends. So I decided कि instead of sitting and rotting about it, why not doing something which will distract my mind and will stop me thinking about that I don't have people to talk to or I don't have friends. So I started googling how to earn and all. But एक जो मेरा skill है which is content creation, I wasn't able to monetize it yet. Not even on Instagram and not even on YouTube, because YouTube पे तो monetization के लिए takes a lot of time. So I was like, why not? I should just hit up something here and there and get myself a job in this field, because I can ace in this field, yeah. So I started and सबसे tough था to recreate my resume. I still remember, I think अगर मेरे को photo मिल जाती है, I'll attach it over here. So my first resume literally had my name and my graduation year and my skills. And skills में भी मैं कुछ ज़्यादा mention नहीं कर पाई थी उस टाइम पे, because इतना मुझे पता नहीं था कि क्या डाल सकते हैं. So that was the toughest part of getting into work, क्योंकि आपका resume ही अगर eye catchy नहीं है, so you won't get any job. So it all started, I started making resumes and all, and by then second year was also going on, so I was handling both of these things. And then one day I got selected for a copywriting sort of job, which was paying me rupees 2000 per month. And us time pe it was like too much for me. I was like, 2000 per month, I can just I was really happy by this amount. So yeah, it excited me and I said yes to the offer letter and I joined them. बट वो मुझसे काम बहुत ज़्यादा करवा रहे थे. बट फिर क्या हो गया बीच में, a strategy sort of happened that my laptop got stolen, guys. Don't want to talk about it, but yeah, my laptop got stolen. So I was shattered and I didn't do the copywriting wala work. So they fired me and they said, you are not a serious candidate for this job, so we don't want to keep you anymore and yeah, we are firing you. I was so stuck. Like, what happened with me? What happened with me? My laptop got stolen. I already had so many things to think about and now I'm overthinking about everything. So I don't speak this much. I don't tell people that this is all going in my mind. But yeah, obviously as a human, मेरे दिमाग में भी बहुत चीज़ें चलती हैं. But I was like, this is not the right time for that. This is not the right time for that. I have to work upon my resume. I have to convince people. If I get any sort of if I'm finding any job portal. So even if I see the company's name, I'm gonna directly message the company that this I have this skill, this is my YouTube, this is how I can do voiceovers, this is how I can make promotional reels. So select me, I am the perfect candidate. And उस टाइम पे मेरी जिद हो गई थी that I have to do it. It was like that. So yeah, this is, I think, and everything that matters. और मेरी मम्मा भी हमेशा यही कहती है that our willpower matters the most. So it all started that way, and now my resume has pretty lots of work in it. I've done multiple freelance works also, and the journey has been good in a positive way. I used to think good things, I used to think ideas for the content, I used to script about it, I used to think about it, and then when I used to get paid, I used to give myself a little bit of treat. So it was all very 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 nice feeling. And then, और इस फोन का तो आई डोंट नो हाउ लॉन्ग आई हैव वेटेड फॉर पीपल टू अरेंज मी क्रेडिट कार्ड और समथिंग दैट आई गेट अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ ऑफ, एंड आई एम लाइक कहाँ से मेरे को बस थोड़ी सी हेल्प मिल जाए. बट लाइक आई थिंक आई हैव टू डू इट ऑन माई ओन एंड nobody is gonna help me in it. So and the day finally came, ladies and gentlemen. अगर आपको भी कुछ सजेस्ट करना चाहती हूँ तो मैं यही बोलूँगी, guys, फर्स्ट ईयर में it's okay, you enjoy, you have fun, you make friends who become your family. It's all good, but at the end, if your parents have sent you out of homes, so they must have some expectations, and they must be waiting for some good news that they should get into their ears. You too can work upon it and just start. I think just start, and it's never too late. At that point of time, I used to see videos where people used to be like, I bought a car at the age of 18, I bought a house at the age of 20. So I used to feel, bhai, I'm so late. But I think, guys, take that one step. Take that one step and you will lead your own way. आपकी अपनी जर्नी होगी यार, उनकी अपनी जर्नी है. They have their learnings and you will have your learnings. So ऐसा बिल्कुल मत expect करें that when you start your journey it's gonna be so smooth and everything's gonna go so nice. Not at all, guys. You will get so many hurdles in your way. You will get so many problems in your life, and I think you just need to be mentally strong to handle those hurdles. And for this, I think I just want to thank my mom that she raised a stronger version of herself. So which is to you. और ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं बोलना चाहती हूँ क्योंकि तो नज़र मत लगाइए प्लीज़. Take it as a motivation, guys, and yeah, well, that's pretty much, and thank you so much. And I would always say that it's because of you guys also, because I could have never done it without you guys' support. And yes, this video is literally gonna be my favorite of all the videos that I've ever posted. I wanted to document this so badly, and I don't want to cry right now. I don't cry. It's a happy day. So yeah, thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe and do let me know in the comments which sort of videos would you love to see, and I would love shooting that. Thank you so much.